guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Eunice, and I'm sorry I was out for quite some time, but here I am with a surprise for you guys. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the unboxing of the Yord Wood watches. This one was given to me by Yord, as well as they were the one who adjusted the size of the watch for me. So thankfully and generously, Yord will be giving away $100 for you guys to shop at their account. And this one is going to be the giveaway. The mechanics will be given at the end of the video, so make sure to watch the entire video itself. So let's begin with this baby I have. So this is the box I got. It's very basic and very minimalist. I love it, and it's in color brown. Actually, wood type of brown. So there, once you open, ta-da! The watch is here. I chose a black watch because black is one of the basic colors. It's easy to pair it with any style of your dress or whatnot. At the same time, it's the only one of the colors I can wear for work, since I can only wear a silver one and a black one. So I chose the black one. So here is the watch, but before anything else, here's the box itself. It comes with the adjusted strap. So generally, the watch itself is kind of big. So when they adjusted the watch for me, this one is the spare strap of the watch. So it also comes with the manual and a thank you note from Yord watch. So wait, let me get that for you. There. It says here, and share your photos on social media with our hashtag YordWatch for a chance to be featured in our feed. So once you win my giveaway, make sure to share your Yord memories using the hashtag YordWatch, so you can be featured on their accounts as well. So there. For this one, going back with this baby, this one is kind of big. The face is too big, but I don't mind since it fits me well at the same time. So it's just a basic black. The straps are made of wood. The face itself is very basic and ordinary, since there are no numbers in here. It's just the hands of the clock and the date, the current date, the seconds. This small circle is the seconds. I love the Yord logo there, which is in red, since it's classy when you have something red. It looks really classy. And the one thing I like about this, the watch is is double lock, so you have to lock it 2 times for it to fit on you really well. Wait, so there. So this is the watch I got for myself. I was the one who picked this watch, and yeah, I really like it. So there. Just a little reminder, you guys, Mother's Day and Father's Day is just around the corner. This giveaway might be of big help for you guys to pick the perfect gift for your parents, or either for your mother or your father. So in this video, Yord will be giving away $100 for you guys to pick any watches you would want. So Yord will be coordinating with you. You just have to be a subscriber of mine, following me on my Facebook page, Instagram account, and Twitter account, as well as liking and following Yord's social media accounts. So here, just have to follow them on all their social media accounts as well. I will be linking them down below, as well as my accounts, for you guys to be guided on what accounts to follow. Other than that, you have to be commenting down below your name and your email address, so in that way I can monitor the people who joined my giveaway, as well as putting a heart or a like on my Yord related post. So that's it, you guys. It is very easy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!